To install your carrier on a stroller, first make sure that the brake on the stroller is attached and that your stroller's car seat attachments are installed according to your stroller manufacturer's instructions. Your carrier has stroller attachment points on each side, located just underneath the handle adjustment buttons. Align each side with the stroller attachments, and then push down on each side of the carrier to make sure that it's securely fastened. Once you've done that, lift up on the carrier handle to make sure that the carrier is attached. Please note that your baby must be facing the stroller handle. You cannot use the carrier on a stroller facing away from the handle. Next, you can adjust your stroller handle to the position that's comfortable for you. Please note that with some strollers, there are limitations around handle positions that can be used when using the carrier. Please visit the support section of the CLEC website for further information.